Let's dive into the Array.fill method, a powerful tool for manipulating array content directly in place. This method is incredibly useful when you need to initialize arrays with a specific value or overwrite existing data quickly without creating a new array. Developers often reach for fill when setting up game boards or resetting data structures to a default state. Internally, the fill method iterates over the array indices from a specified start index up to, but not including, the end index. It replaces the value at each index with the static value provided as the first argument. If start and end parameters are omitted, it modifies the entire array from beginning to end. Crucially, it mutates the original array, meaning it returns the same array reference rather than creating a shallow copy. You'll use fill when initializing a 2D grid for a game like tic-tac-toe or Minesweeper with empty values. It's also perfect for resetting a user interface state or creating placeholder arrays for data visualization charts before fetching real data. Now let's understand the code step by step. First, we create an array called nums containing 4 distinct numbers to demonstrate the modification. Then, we call fill on nums to replace elements with the number 10, starting at index 1 and stopping before index 3. Then, we log the modified array to the console to verify that the changes were applied correctly. Finally, the output confirms that only the middle 2 elements were overwritten while the others remained untouched. Array.fill is a simple yet efficient way to manage array data. Try using it in your next project.